Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to check screen time on Windows 11 step by step. If you want to track how much time you spend on your computer, this method is quick and easy. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu and you can search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. Now click on System. Then click on Power and Battery. Scroll down a little and look for the battery usage. Here you will see, click on it. Now scroll down. Here you will see the battery levels. Here you will see battery levels. Screen on time 2 hour 1 minute. Screen off time or sleep time. If you screen off or sleep mode, from here you can select the time period also. Like now select last 24 hours. You can select last 7 days also. Then you can see screen on daily average time 14 hour 35 minutes, screen of daily average, sleep daily average 10 minutes. Here you will see all the levels. You can see how long your screen was active and which app used the most time. Here you will see all the apps. And that's it. That's how you can check screen time on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.